Hey everybody, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Today we're going to be reviewing PRIMESTOCKS. This is a launch that is being done by Tom Yezvikov and Gaurav Bora. It launches on Thursday, July 1st at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's New York time. The launch closes on Tuesday, July 6th at midnight. Okay. Also, there's going to be a pre-launch webinar on Thursday, July 1st at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, that is New York time. Okay, so what is PRIMESTOCKS? So PRIMESTOCKS is a cloud-based system where everything you need to create online is provided all in a one-stop shop for you. It's suited for any niche. There are 5 million different kinds of elements. There are images, audio, designs, vectors, animated audio, GIFs, all in very, very high quality and very, very simple to use. Okay, so we're going to look at some of the applications. They've got some samples that we're going to look at as well. We're going to look at my bonuses. They've got bonuses as well. And we're going to get into the price and all the front end features and all the upsells as well. So guys, there's a lot in this app. And I think if you do any kind of content or creation online, this is definitely something to consider because, as you know, if we try to take a stock image from somewhere like stock photos, GIFs, anywhere, we can run into copyright problems, or we've got to pay sometimes $50, $100 just for one image, right? And if you're doing YouTube creation, if you start to take other people's YouTube content, you can get flagged. Also, you can, if you use other people's songs, you can get flagged, and all that monetization momentum just gets totally knocked down again. So there's a lot of things that we need to consider. So this can provide a lot of solutions to that kind of headache. All right. So guys, this is my bonus page. This bonus, all my bonuses are going to be good for 5 days. They're going to come down on July 4th at midnight. Okay, so if you like these bonuses that I'm offering, you've got about 5 days as you read this to click on my link, and then you'll get all these bonuses. All right. So PRIMESTOCKS is a searchable and browsable cloud-based platform with 5 million plus premium royalty-free HD 4K stock videos, images, vectors, animation, GIFs, audio tracks, and even more. Also, they've got a drag and drop editor and tools to make it even easier for you to create content very quickly with no worries about copyright infringement. Okay? So this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a million plus HD premium stock videos in multiple size and resolutions, 10,000 4K premium stock videos, 20,000 high quality vectors, 3 million high quality royal free photos in most niches, 5,000 icons and vectors, multiple niches, search and share from 5,000 GIFs, premium mockups, 12,000 animated icons, 100 vector characters, premium image editor, no need to download, hundreds of categories to choose from, 5,000 premium audio tracks. Like I said, guys, there's everything you need is going to be in here. So if you're looking to make amazing sales and explainer videos, professional ads, compelling stories, YouTube videos, product review videos and posts, this is something that you strongly can consider getting. Before we go into the price, I'm going to take you down to my bonuses. We're going to look at their bonuses, and I'm going to show you some of the material so you can see the quality for yourself. So my first video, guys, my first bonus is the perfect email catcher. So as you know, in affiliate marketing, we want to try and get other people's emails so we can offer products. We can tell them about things that we're going to be launching or other special bonuses and information that people should want to know about you and your product. This is going to show you some great ways on how you can do that. So it's going to talk about providing a service, maybe a small bonus, maybe something that you can help them with, okay, a tutorial, anything like that. And in return, they will give you their email. Okay. Okay. My second bonus is how to crush it on YouTube. So this is going to take you step by step. It's going to show you some ways that you can look at, for example, other YouTube videos in your niche that are doing very well, how they do it, how they approach it, and how you can get some ideas. I'm not saying just copy it, but you can get ideas, and from your style, you're going to make it unique. Your experience, your style, what you like, you're going to make it unique. But you can get ideas, also how you can title something, the headlines. It's going to go into a lot of different things that are going to help you just have better content where people's eyes are going to be more focused on your material. Okay, my next bonus is hot traffic proven method. Okay, so this is showing you step by step of previous people who have done these steps and have gotten a lot of traffic. Now, the more traffic you get, obviously, the more potential for sales you're going to get, right? It's all about traffic. If you don't have any traffic, how are you going to make any sales? So this is showing you people that have done this, and it's going to, if you just follow the steps that we've done and they've done, you will get more traffic. And my fourth bonus, surefire strategies for traffic and sales. Again, these are other, on top of that other bonus, these are other methods that you can use to get more traffic, and of course, more traffic can equal more sales. So again, all laid out for you, very, very good information that is going to help you. And finally, all vendor bonuses, okay? So I'm going to show you the vendor bonuses in a minute. And again, guys, if you just click on any of these yellow links here, it'll take you to the bonus access page, which is going to look just like this. So access your perfect email catcher. If I click that, it's going to take me to that bonus. And again, for all of these, okay? So just so you know, that's how you're going to get it. All right, now I want to show you some of the actual material that they're offering. Here we go. So here are some of the video files. Okay, so they've broken them into nice, 7, 10, 11 second clips that you can just load up. So the editing is very, very quick and easy. And you can see it's all high def, very good quality. All right. So any niche, it could be if you want to do something for kids or business, anything, travel, whatever you want. There, like I said, there are thousands and thousands and thousands of these for you to choose from. And here are some of the high quality images that you're going to get. So perfect, guys. You can make all kinds of cool presentations. You can do PowerPoint. You can also add these into your movies, your videos. Really, really top notch. And here's some GIFs. Okay, now as we all know, GIFs they're a marketing phenomenon. Memes, like the meme culture right now is just going through the roof. So again, tons and tons of different GIFs for you to choose from. Audio tracks, again, this is all going to be, you're able to use these. There's going to be no copyright infringement. Once you buy this, it is all done for you. Over 10,000 vector images and icons, 1,200 animated icons, premium and easy to use image editor. Okay, all limited time commercial license. So use our resources for your personal projects or for your clients too. So you can actually go on places like Fiverr and whatnot, and you can create this for them too. So guys, I just put in promotion video in Fiverr, and the first one that I saw was this. So this is a 30-second video with 75 words for $30. Okay, a 60-second video for $60 and a 90-second video for $100. You can make literally an infinite amount of videos all at a one-time buy, and then you can actually sell these on Fiverr and other similar websites if you wanted. So that just shows you how you're really going to be able to save money and potentially make money on a side business if you wanted. Okay guys, I want to show you some of the videos, or excuse me, the bonuses that you'll get also if you decide to buy PRIMESTOCKS. So these are some of the vendor bonuses. So you're going to get image links, the GPL reseller rights, WordPress social stream, the GPL and the reseller rights, Messenger audio reply, the GPL and reseller rights, the WhatsApp chat, WP, GPL and reseller rights, the Apricash system, the opt-in GPL reseller rights, the I Am Niche sales letter, the buyer's list blueprint, the unshakable super affiliate, how to stand out and build a long-term sustainable, profitable and unshakable online business with affiliate marketing, 3 steps to make $100K to $1 million a year business online. Also, they're going to provide all of these. So bonus number 1 is a $666,317 YouTube views case study. Bonus 2, how to find and close high-paying clients. Bonus 3, viral secrets exposed. Bonus 4, dominate YouTube without showing your face or voice. Again, with all the material that you're going to be getting, you can do tons and tons of content. And exclusive bonus, 10,060 and 6,424 leads case study. Bonus number 6, personal branding blueprint. Exclusive bonus 7, storytelling marketing. 8, Pinterest profits. 9, buyer triggers reseller rights. And bonus 10, Facebook ads secret advanced scaling. So tons of bonuses from me and from them. Okay guys, now let's get into the front end price and also all the upgrades. Okay, so the front end is from $37 to $47. You will get Click Searchable App, Premium Editor. You're going to get 3 million plus HD stock images, 1.2 million HD stock videos, 20,000 vectors and icons, 5,000 royalty-free audios, 10,000 4K HD stock videos, 1,200 animated icons, multiple formats, high quality downloads, use unlimited projects, social sharing, inbuilt image editor, complete step-by-step video training and tutorials, newbie friendly and fully cloud-based software, and commercial rights. So it's going to show you how to make this, step-by-step tutorials. It's going to have support and a lot of content, okay, and the rights. So you're never going to get a copyright flag or any kind of negative situation with that. Now here's a one-time offer of $46 to $67. This is PRIMESTOCKS Pro, powerful video editor and drag and drop timeline editing. 1 million 4K UHD videos with multiple size resolutions, 1,000 green screen backgrounds, over 500 easy to customize PowerPoint videos, 1,200 animated icons, 100 vector characters, regular monthly updates, and again, all the commercial rights. One-time offer number 2 is Prime Sounds. Find perfect background music and sounds for your videos with only a keyword right now. Huge library of almost 600,000 premium soundtracks in 20 different categories. And one-time offer number 3 at $197 to $297, PRIMESTOCKS reseller. So your each client will have access to features of PRIMESTOCKS to 50 to 250 accounts. Wow, so you can sell this to a lot of different clients if you decide that you want to go this route. With our sales material for best conversions, create accounts for your clients using your reseller dashboard. In one click, we'll handle support for your clients. So they're going to handle the support. You just have to sell it, and then they're going to help train them. So you're just sort of the middleman, but you get to keep all that profit as well. So guys, I really like the Prime sounds. If I was to get this, I think having the soundtracks as well to go with your videos, that's a nice extra bonus that's just going to make it a lot more professional, a lot more polished in my opinion. So guys, this is a lot of great information. Again, if you're doing amazing sales, if you want to do sales and explainer videos, professional ads, compelling stories, YouTube videos, product review videos, cooler social media posts, this is the product for you. I want to thank you guys for your time. I hope you enjoyed this review on PRIMESTOCKS. If you did, please use my link. You can click on any of these guys to take you to get my bonuses. And I want to thank you for your time. This is Kieran Guy Hogg, Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment. And I will be back very soon with more great reviews, hacks, and tips. Kieran Hogg signing off. Thank you.